What's up, everybody? Bronco 78 here. Just a little update on my Bronco, trying to get it ready for a trip to Super Celebration East 2022. Changed out my factory bumper, put my old tube bumper on here that I had on my first Bronco years ago. I do a little work on the track bar and some steering work on it. Got that all tightened up. Hopefully y'all can see this pretty good. I'm kind of got some sun glaring down on me here. But also got a nice little treat come in today. I got me some new wheels. Showed up today. They're the Pro Comp 15 by 10. Got a negative 47 millimeter offset. I am real excited. I've been wanting to get wheels on this thing for quite a while. So hopefully I'll go get them done. Go get them put on here in a couple of days. I'm gonna reuse my existing tires. I'll have to get one more so I'll have my spare. I'll use one of these for a spare and then put the new one on and just rotate them out as a 5-tire rotation when I rotate them. Hopefully, I think I'm going to put the white letter out like I would have preferred them to be when I got these tires put on years ago. But let's see, I'll show you a little look here. That's going to look sweet. Gonna look sweet. All right. Well, that's just a quick little walk around of it. I'll do a after video once I get these installed in a couple of days. I'll do an after video and show everybody what it looks like. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe and comment below with any questions. Thank you.